Good morning, teacher. My name is Rafael Andres Mendez Peña from 9th grade C, and today I'm going to talk about the present and past speculations. In this piece of work, I will explain how to use properly the present and past speculation. Also, this presentation, you will learn about rules that we use in these two tenses, the structure, and some examples to facilitate your learning. Let's start with the present speculation, shall we? The structure of the use is the subject plus the modal verb plus the verb in infinitive plus a complement. Rules are that we use present speculations when we make deductions from something in the past. The uses. We use most when we are completely sure about something. We use can't when we feel something isn't true. We use may or could or might when we are not completely sure about something. And some examples to facilitate your learning is that, well, in the case of we're using the word must, she must have been taking pills. In the case of can't, he can't stand up. And in the case of may, could, and might, let's say they may, or could, or might have been eating all the food. Now let's continue to the past speculations, shall we? The structure for the use is subject plus modal verb plus have plus verb in the past participle plus a complement. The rules for the use. We use past speculations when we make deductions about events that could have happened in the past. And the uses. We use must when we are completely sure about something happened in the past. We use can't when we feel that something is impossible to happen in the past. And we use may or could or might when we are not completely sure about something that happened in the past. And some examples using this is that, well, she must have taken the clothes hours ago. She can't have called my mom yesterday. They may, could, or might eat my food yesterday. And finally, in this presentation, I could learn how to use the speculations correctly. I knew about them in the past, but I didn't know how to properly use them until now. Also, I have some difficulties during the process. Explaining things to me is something kinda hard. I'm not very familiar with that camp. But in the end, I could deliver what I think is a good explanation about the subject. Here's the bibliography if you want to check it out. Thank you.